Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Siskanas. Okay, in today's video I'll be showing you how to attach a phone frame to your YouTube. Now if you're a content creator that your niche is based on tutorials, like you want to teach something with your phone and you want your phone to show on your screen, then I think you should watch this video till the end and learn how to put your phone frame to your YouTube tutorial.
A few minutes later.
Download our phone frame. Now for us to download our phone frame, now you're going to click on the Chrome. You're ready to load. Oh, let's type search. Let's type what we want to. We'll type phone frame, and then we'll click on go. Now once you click on this, you allow it to load. Now these are the phone frame you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing all these phone frame. What you like, you click on the lines and then it will automatically save. Now let me show you another way of downloading the phone frame. Let me show you another way. Now another way the phone frame is you have the Pinterest app and then the Pinterest downloader. Now this is the Pinterest downloader. Let's search for Pinterest. Now Pinterest app, you click on it. Once you've downloaded it, you click on it. Please don't mind the notification you're seeing. Let's allow the Pinterest. This is the Pinterest. It is loading. So yes, the Pinterest. Now you click on it. Click on it, and then you type phone frame, and you hit the search button. You allow it to load. Now these are the phone frames. Now these are the phone frames. Now the next thing you're going to do is for you to download it. Now for you to download the phone frame, I'm sorry, why is this thing? These are the phone. This is the three dotted line. Click on it for you to download, and then you say download image. It will download automatically. Okay, now you see downloader for a Pinterest. You click on it. Let's allow it to load. Now the problem with this Pinterest app is that you'll be seeing you're not going to pay for it, but you keep seeing ads. That is advertisement. You keep seeing ads will keep appearing. So since we are not paying for it, it's cool that you keep seeing ads. So I don't know why it's taking time to load. It will appear. So you download it. But the problem with this app is the ads, you keep getting ads. So since you're not paying, it's only cool you watch the ads. So once it's up like this, then you click on download. Let me know if actually the kind of phone frame. Sorry. So this is the phone frame. So now let's head over to CapCut and attach this phone for a video. Let's head over to CapCut. Now click on CapCut or allow it to load. Tap on new project. Now this is a new project, so the next thing we're going to be doing is to bring in a plain background that we'll be using for this our tutorial. So let's search for a plain background for this tutorial. Okay, so we'll be using this plain background, this particular one. We'll use it. So click on it, add it. We're adding it. Okay, so let's go look for the aspect ratio. That is, YouTube aspect ratio is 16:9. So we'll click on 16:9. Then I'll use my finger to resize it to fit my screen perfectly well. Yes, so we are good now. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to bring in the video that we'll be using for this tutorial. We'll bring in the video we'll be using for this tutorial. So what we have to do is what? We search for overlay, click on overlay, add overlay, then let's go to the video. So I'm picking any of this screenshot that I've done and bringing in this video. Yes, so as you can see, this is the video we'll be using. Now we have bring in the video we'll be using, that this is the video we'll be using for this tutorial. So the next thing we're going to do is to bring in a frame. That is the phone frame that we've downloaded. We'll bring it in and fit it on this video. Now before that, let's go to the plain background and stretch it so that it will be the same thing with the video. So we are stretching it here. If you see, if you should leave it like this is what you'll be seeing, but we need to stretch the plain background so that it will be on the same space. Should I say space? It will be on the same duration with the video. So if the video duration is 2 minutes, so we'll stretch the background to 2 minutes. We won't leave it blank. So we are stretching it. I'm going to stretch it. So that is that. Now let me go back. Now the next thing we'll be doing is to bring in our frame. Now the frame we've downloaded from the Pinterest or the Chrome. Now we're going to bring it. Now for us to bring it, what we are going to do is what? We'll search on this overlay. This is the overlay. Click on it. Now click on add. Now let's go to photos and search for the phone frame that we've just downloaded. So this is this is the phone frame I downloaded two. So but I'm going to choose this one because I sort of like this one. So I'm adding this one. You click on add. Can you see now? So now still on this phone frame that we'll bring in. Don't worry about the background being white. We're going to remove the background and make it to fit perfectly fine. So the next thing we are going to do is to search for remove background. Now you click on remove background, click on chroma key, and then you move this thing. Once you move it, as you can see now, the white background have just removed. So you can now see the tutorial, that is the screen record you've done. You can now see it. So you increase the intensity here and probably the shadow too. So once you do that, you are good to go. So now what we're going to do is to sort of increase this frame. Can you see? We're going to make it to fit. We are going to resize it. Let's make it to fit very well. Okay, now let's click. If you watch now, the phone frame is bigger than the tutorial. So what we are going to do is to click on it, click on the video that you're going to be teaching something on. So when we click on it, we'll sort of expand it, use our finger to pinch it and resize it so that it will fit very well. Can you see that? Now let's go back to the frame and then we'll use the frame to position it well. Can you see? Yes, so this is perfect. Now the next thing we are going to do is to stretch. We're going to stretch the frame so that it will fit. It will go all around the video. We are stretching our frame. As you can see, we'll be stretching it to fit so everything will go well. Can you see? So let me play the video so that you will see. So can you see? So our phone frame fits perfectly well. So if you're watching my video at this point, and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, and see you in my next video. Bye. Now feel free, once you're done with this, please feel free to export your video. Thank you. So let's hit on our S. Before you export, increase the phone frame and then you export. Thank you for watching.